Bail posted for Flex DJ. Hi, I'm Debbie. Mad Cobra facing serious charges after cops in South Carolina claim to have found drugs and a gun in the car in which he was traveling. But the DJ now free on a $125,000 bail bond.
90s dancehall star arrested on cocaine and gun charges. Ewart Brown, popularly known as Mad Cobra, could be facing serious jail time after his car was stopped and searched by police in South Carolina on Tuesday, July 25. Cops claim to have found 2 kilos of cocaine and a Beretta 9mm pistol. They said the BMW SUV in which Cobra was driving was pulled over for speeding and that the DJ consented to the subsequent search. Mad Cobra's single Flex.
We got the news from a Florence news entity that Ewart Brown was arrested after a traffic stop. And Ewart was in court on Wednesday. He was granted bail in the amount of $125,000, $5,000 on the weapons charge, and $120,000 on the cocaine trafficking charge. And Ewart Brown is who we know as Mad Cobra.
This is pretty serious.
It's pretty serious, especially in the South in America, and a black man. However, he has posted bond and he's currently out on bail.
So put Mad Cobra in context.
So Cobra was one of the biggest dancehall acts in the 90s. He had the hit Flex, was on all the big stations in America. Flex peaked at number 13 on the Billboard Hot 100, which is a big deal. We don't see that happening much nowadays. The album Hard to Wet, Easy to Dry peaked at number 125 on the Billboard 200 albums chart. And 1992 to 93 was dancehall's most successful years on the Billboard charts, and he led that charge.
Was there something about the sound and the vibe of Flex that influenced other dancehall artists?
Along with Shabba Ranks, Flex ushered in what they call the hardcore lover, which we see other acts played on, like Shaggy, played on the hardcore lover nuance that America could relate to. And that's one of the reasons why Flex worked.
After Easy to Wet, Hard to Dry, after Flex, what happened for Mad Cobra?
So he never found back the success of Easy to Wet, Hard to Dry of 92, 93, but he has dropped several albums, and he, in his own right, is one of the most successful dancehall artists of all time. Not a lot of people have a gold record, and he has one.
If somebody is found guilty in relation to that quantity of cocaine, how much time can they expect to serve in prison?
In the South, especially in South Carolina, they have very tough drug laws. And for a quantity of that much, he could pay between $200,000 to $300,000 and spend 20 to 30 years in jail if he's convicted. But just know he's not yet tried, he has not yet had his day in court, and he's presumed innocent until proven guilty.